Welcome back, everyone. This is the first episode of Flipwood, and today we're going to be turning these worthless kind of firewood poplar live edge slabs into some side tables. So stick around. First, let's deal with these slabs. So now it's time to build the wooden table legs and the wooden legs. And today we're just making some trapezoid legs. So let's basically what trapezoid legs are rectangle legs, box rectangle legs, but just in at an angle like this. That's what we're going to be making. Okay guys, so we got the building of the legs and got the epoxy done. Now it's just time to do some finishing touches, including paint and polyurethane, and just get to the final product. Okay, now is the part of like the cost versus profit to see how much money I actually made off of this build. So I'm going to be selling them for $100 each, so that's $200. For wood was about $40. Epoxy was about $15. Paint was about $10, and like screws and polyurethane and glue and just little extras was about $10. So in all it was about $75 in cost. So 200 minus 75, that's $125 profit. This took me about 5 hours in total, meaning I made about $25 an hour. And thank you guys for watching the episode till the end, and please subscribe and like it.